Okay. With pressure on the steering, back and forth. Let go for it. Let go. You can hear this clunking noise. I don't know if it'll be audible on this video. Doesn't matter which side you're turned to, as long as it's not straight ahead, and there has to be some pressure on the wheels. It won't make the noise with the car off the ground, the car jacked up in the front. Go ahead, do it again, please. Try to make it loud. Other way. Flip the steering. Yeah, that way. There you go. Make it loud. Try to do it loud by pushing it up. By pushing it up. Yeah, like that. Can't really see much in there. Okay, hopefully that's helpful. Not really sure.